Today we are going to start the important topic of Python, that is strings. It is the most useful data type in Python. What is Python string? It is nothing but an array of characters. Means there are several characters. They are combined in an array and that is called a string. How you can create a string? By enclosing several characters within quotes. That quotes can be single quote, that quote can be double quotes or triple quotes. But generally triple quotes are used whenever we are working with multi-line strings in Python. I will show you whenever we will be going to the Jupyter Notebook. Now, since strings are nothing but some array of characters, can I access individual characters from Python string? Yes. For that, we have to use either indexing or slicing. Now, what is indexing and what is slicing? That we will go into the deeper discussion. But remember one thing, using indexing, we can access individual characters in a string, and using slicing, you can get a range of characters. I will show you the difference between indexing and slicing. Okay. So how you can use indexing to access individual characters and how by using slicing you can access a range of characters. So let's start with indexing. Now what is index? Index is nothing but an integer value and it always starts with value 0 if it is positive index, and if it is negative index then it will start from -1 but at the end of the string. Okay, from the end of the string we will number if we are using negative index, and that number will start from -1. Let's take an example. Now positive index is starting from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3 like this. The whole string is suppose hello world. Individual characters have been shown in individual cells so that you can understand this concept very well. And as I told you, negative index should start from the last character of the string, which is in this case exclamation mark. So exclamation mark will get -1 and then -2, -3, -4, -5 like this till we go to the starting of the string. Okay. Now remember one thing, that if the string is suppose hello world, then if we are using positive index, then the string 11th position will give you the exclamation marks. Also, if you are using negative index, then -1 will give you exclamation mark. What do I mean by this? I'll come to it. Just right. Suppose I have created a string which is my string equal to hello world. Okay, this is the string. Now I want to suppose get the 1th character of this string. So I will write print my string 1. Now as I told you, it will start from 0. So my string 1 will give you HE, right? So this E will be my string 1. That means you are accessing individual characters using this indexing. Now suppose if we are using negative indexing, then my string -2, that will give you D, right? Because -2 means D. So print my string -2 will give you D only. Understand? Similarly, if I use positive index, then my string 10 also will give you D. So if you are using positive index, you have to give 10, and if you are using negative index, you have to give -2. Both these two things, they are giving same character D. Remember, whether you are using positive index or negative index, it depends on that. So you have understood what is indexing, but don't worry, we will do a lot of practice whenever we will be going to Jupyter Notebook. Next comes string slicing. Slicing means what? I want to get a range of characters from the string, or you can say to extract a substring from a string. Now it is done by specifying this way: start, colon, end, colon, then step. I will explain to you what does it mean. It means that start is the starting index, end is the end index, and step is the increment that you are going to give. And remember one thing, the default value of step is equal to 1. That means if nothing is specified, then step equal to 1 will be taken. I'll give you simple example over here, but in my Jupyter hands-on session, I will give you many more examples on string slicing. So B equal to, suppose the string is hello world, then print B colon 5. Colon 5 means step is optional. Step you can give or you may not give. But over here, since I have placed only two portion, one is before this colon and after the colon, so step is not specified, so step default value equal to 1 will be taken. Now B colon means you are not specifying anything in the start, so by default it will start from 0th index. Okay, so it will start with H, then it will go to 5th index, but remember the next line is start index is inclusive while the end index is exclusive. That means the 5th one will not be considered. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now if you go to this thing, 0 means H, 1 means E, 2, 3, 4 means hello. So the output will be hello. Okay, and in this case starting means 0th and end index is 4th, because 5 will be excluded. Just before 5 is 4 and end index will be 4. Okay, so this is basically string slicing. So I'm giving you some more examples, like B equal to hello world, print B2 colon. That means now I'm specifying start, but I'm not specifying end. And step is optional, I have not included. Now start is 2. 2 means 0, 1, 2. This L, from L this will start up to the last, because you have not specified anything. So it will start from L and it will end at exclamation mark. So LLO comma world with exclamation mark will be output. Similarly, if I specify both, means start and end, but with negative index, that also you can do. Now, if you just look at this thing, -5 and -2. Again, the starting part is -5. -5 is O, then -5, -4, -3, but the end index is exclusive, so it will be then -3 only. So O R N, that will be the output. Again, I'll be showing you some more examples on string slicing once we go to the Jupyter notebook. So let's move on to Jupyter notebook.